Bible verse. I lift up my eyes to the hills, from where will my help come? My help comes from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. Psalm 121 verses 1-2. Prayer. Loving Father, thank you for always being my help and strength. In every challenge and uncertainty, remind me to look to you with trust and faith. Guide my thoughts, protect my steps, and fill my heart with peace throughout this day. Amen.